Welcome back to the Roadside Rescue YouTube channel. I'm Ernest, and on this episode, I've got this Fanttik air compressor, X8 Apex. And this is a portable air inflator. I just got this from Fanttik, so on this episode, I'm going to be reviewing the Fanttik X8 Apex. Here's something I've been wanting to do for a long time. I've got a 2-liter bottle here. I'm going to put a little valve stem in this. So what I'm going to need to do before I head out is drill a hole in the lid of this 2-liter bottle. And I'm going to see if this X8 Apex puts out enough PSI to blow up this 2-liter bottle. I know it takes about 120 PSI minimum to blow up a 2-liter bottle. So let's go ahead and unpack this and see what it'll do. Oops. Hopefully I don't spill that right there. Right on my rods. Okay, that's really tight. I probably should have drilled the hole one size bigger. I'm not sure if it's seated all the way, but if anything, the air inside there is just going to make it seat up more. Okay, perfect. All right, let's go ahead and take these out today. I already have a customer who told me they have a flat tire. That's just something extra I'm going to do while I'm on a call out. All right, right inside here. Dang, this feels super nice. Great quality, heavy duty. You can tell there's a nice big battery. And it looks like this doubles as a power bank as well. That's excellent. All right, let's see what we got below here. Okay, great, air cord. We're gonna need this. Okay, comes with a super nice carrying case. That even has a hidden pocket for the air cord. Yes, they never come with these. That's the best designed case I've seen. All right, let's go ahead and turn this on, check out the screen, and I'm sure I'm gonna need to fully charge this on the way to my job. Nice, 75% charged. Super easy to read screen. That screen's beautiful. Nice, got a light on there, that's really bright. Let's see, it's got a mode for vehicle, motorcycle, bicycle, or balls. Nice, it'll put out 120 PSI. That should be enough to blow up the bottle. Alright, that's what I wanted to see. Let's go ahead and hit the road. So here's what the car looks like. We gotta get 36 PSI in the tires. Let's go ahead and check out all the tires. Alright, so the tires going low right here. Oop. Look how easy that is to read. Let's see, man. Nice quality. Aluminum. Feels good. All right. $19. It's supposed to have 36, so let's go ahead and set it. It should turn off by itself. Nice and cool to the touch. Just filled up that whole tire. Probably took about 3 to 5 minutes. All right, I've got the Fanttik air compressor here and the Coca-Cola bottle. It's the next day. I ran out of time last night. Let's see if this can put out enough PSI to blow this bottle up. All right, I charged it up after I used it. Let's set this to max. Oh, I like how fast that goes up. Actually, probably my favorite thing about it is how easy this screen is to read and just interact with. Oh, no way. Oh, it goes up past that. 150? I thought it was 120. This will definitely blow this up. Well, we'll see. If this goes up past 120, this should definitely blow this bottle up. All right, let's go ahead and hook these up. I know it'll fill up a car tire no problem. Yeah. 120 something PSI. It struggled around 120, so it looks like maybe the bottle started expanding or something. That always makes me a little nervous for some reason. Cool. I didn't notice till afterwards, but somehow it exploded the bottle and blew the valve stem out of the top. Let's clean this off and go back in the truck. Thanks again to Fanttik for sponsoring this video. This X8 Apex is by far the nicest air inflator that I have. So if you want one of these, make sure you check out the link in the description of the pinned comment for a super good deal. Subscribe if you like the channel and check out this video next. I'll see you there.